A glass of juice that can improve your erection. This juice is natural and made with simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. These components, when combined, provide significant benefits for mild or initial cases of erectile dysfunction, or even for those who just want a boost. But pay attention. In addition to the juice, it's crucial to follow the measures I'll mention at the end. What's in the juice? Beetroot. Use half a beetroot. It's rich in nitric oxide, a substance that dilates blood vessels, increasing blood flow to the penis. This directly contributes to a firmer erection. Watermelon. Include about 200 milliliters of watermelon juice, using not just the red part, but also the white and seeds. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, a precursor to L-arginine, which also helps in nitric oxide production. Lemon, add a whole lemon, with peel and all. Lemon is an antioxidant and helps prevent the formation of fat plaques in the arteries, improving overall blood circulation. Ginger. Use a few shavings of ginger. This ingredient has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, along with a small amount of nitric oxide. Spinach, add 200 g of spinach, which is rich in folic acid, vitamin B9, and magnesium, both of which improve circulation and support sexual health. How to improve the taste. If the taste of the juice is not to your liking, you can add ingredients like honey, yogurt, or even natural coconut ice. Some people enhance it with Peruvian maca or Tribulus terrestris, but this is optional. Essential measures to boost the results: physical activity. Engage in aerobic exercises, such as walking for 1 hour a day. This improves circulation, reduces anxiety, and controls conditions like diabetes and hypertension, which can affect erections. Balanced diet. Choose natural foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and lean proteins. Avoid ultra-processed foods and fast food. Quality sleep. Get at least 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Restful sleep is essential for hormonal balance and overall health. Mental health. Manage stress and anxiety with professional help if needed. Emotional balance is just as important as physical health. Medical follow-up. Consult a urologist for a complete evaluation. They can identify triggers for your condition, adjust treatments, and provide personalized support. Additional tips to optimize the results. Proper hydration. Stay well hydrated throughout the day. Water is crucial for good circulation and also enhances the effects of the juice and healthy habits. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking are factors that harm circulation and erectile function. Reducing or eliminating them from your routine is vital for better results. Weight control. Excess weight can be associated with cardiovascular and hormonal problems that directly affect erections. Combining the juice with a balanced diet and physical activity can help with weight control. Focus on regular consumption consistency in drinking the juice, and practicing the recommended measures is what truly makes a difference. Sporadically drinking the juice or not maintaining healthy habits may limit the expected benefits. Regular checkups. In addition to consulting a urologist, undergo regular tests to monitor your overall health, including cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar. These factors are fundamental for maintaining good circulation and sexual health. Conclusion: by incorporating this juice into your daily routine, along with healthy habits like a balanced diet, physical exercise, and mental health care, you can significantly improve your quality of life and sexual health. Remember, consistency is the key to achieving lasting results. Did you enjoy the tips? Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to follow more content about health and well-being. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment.